Sending money internationally just got even easier. And today, we're diving deep into how you can pay for your Remitly transfers. Remitly offers a variety of flexible payment methods. To suit your needs, let's walk through each one, so you can choose the best option for sending money to your loved ones. First up, the most common method: bank transfers. To use this, you'll link your bank account directly to your Remitly account. Once linked, Remitly will initiate a transfer from your bank to cover the cost of your remittance. This is often a cost-effective option and generally takes a few business days to process. Next, we have debit cards. This is a super convenient and fast way to pay. Simply enter your debit card details, that's the card number, expiry date, and CVV code. The Remitly app or website payments made with a debit card are typically processed almost instantly, making it ideal for urgent transfers. You can also use your credit card to pay for your Remitly transfers. Much like with a debit card, you'll need to input your credit card information. Be aware that using a credit card might incur additional fees from your credit card provider, and it could be subject to interest charges depending on your card's terms and conditions. This also processes very quickly. To start, open the Remitly app or go to their website, enter the amount you wish to send and the recipient's details on the payment page. Select your preferred method. If you choose bank transfer, you'll be guided to securely link your bank account for debit or credit card payments. You'll enter your card information, review your details carefully, then confirm your transfer. You'll receive a confirmation, and you can track your remittance's progress right in the app. Choosing the right payment method ensures your money gets to your recipient exactly when they need it, and Remitly's diverse options make that process seamless. Happy sending!